Alright guys, I'll show y'all this Oregon brand chainsaw bar. Bought this off of Amazon. I've had this steel chainsaw for quite a while, almost 8 years now, and I've never had to replace this bar, but the bar finally, the bearings in here finally gave up, and I have used this a lot. So that one definitely turned out good, but I just bought this. It was a very good price, came with a new chain, a lot cheaper than buying a replacement bar with steel. They say it's a good bar. There's a lot of good reviews, but I want to check this out and then give y'all my opinion after using it for a while and see if it's actually any good. Slightly different shape, but it will fit. Alright guys, so everything seems to hook up just fine. So far I'm liking it. Time will tell, so we're just going to run it and just see. So like and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see the update and see how this bar actually turns out, because it is a really affordable option. I mean, you do get the chain and the bar for a pretty good bit cheaper than what the other bar is. So we'll see.